So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert an EndNote here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, here in the top left, the Home tab is selected. Simply just go slide this bar a little bit to the right until you come across references in between mailings and layout and press on the References tab. Once you're here, right beside where it says insert footnote, right below where it says layout, it says insert endnote. So if you were to go ahead here and press on insert endnote, just like this, you can now add an endnote to your document. So if you were to type in, this is my end note, just like that. If you were to type above it, this is my end note. It's going to add an end note below it to your text right here. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to add or how to insert an end note into your document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.